Today we're going to learn basic cable rope stitch, and what you're going to need is a double pointed needle or a cable needle, whatever is easiest for you. So I've already started this swatch, and we're going to be learning basic rope cable, and it's 6 rows to the pattern. Because I've already just done a cable, I'm going to show you the 6 rows to this pattern, which is purl 3, oops, and then it's going to be knit 6, and purl 3. Now whatever pattern you are following, just follow whatever that says. This is a basic cable rope stitch, but it could be, I don't know, knit 12 and cable 3 to the back or whatever. So if we're learning to the back today, if it says cable 2 or cable 3 to the back, then that's what you do. But for this basic rope stitch, it is knit 6 and purl 3. And we do all this to the end of the row. Oops, I messed up there. And purl 3. Now we turn our work. So this is row 2. There's 6 rows to the pattern. On row 2, we are going to knit 3 and purl 6. My needles keep getting caught in my sleeve. That's a bit annoying, isn't it? We have the second row and 2 more rows to do, and then we will be doing the cable. Remember, this is 6 rows to the pattern. The first 4 rows are purling the purl stitches, knitting the knit stitches, and so on. So I'm going to see you back here at row 5. We're coming up to the end. Of row 4. And now we're coming up to doing our next twist, which is row 5. So we're going to purl 3, and in this cable example, it's going to be cabling 3 to the back. It will be written as C3B. We're going to get our double pointed needle or cable needle, and we are going to slip 3 stitches onto the needle, but we're going to put it to the back of the work. Then we're going to knit into the 3, as per normal, and then your cable needle, we're going to knit the 3 off the needle. So we've just twisted it. So that's twisted there. Can you see that? So now we're going to go back to purling 3. And now we're coming up to the next twist. So that's the 6th section. So this will be written as C3B. So we want to slip the next 3 stitches onto the cable needle. Pull them into the center so they don't drop off. Pull these stitches up a bit to make it easier. Can get a bit awkward at first, but you will get used to it. Then you knit 3 off your normal needle. Then you position the cable needle, move your stitches up to the top, and knit 3. Purl the next 3. Then we're back on our next block of 6 stocking stitch. You can see the twist. We do 1, 2, 3. We hold that to the back of the work. Position everything as per normal. Knit 1, 2, and 3, and then knit the 3 on the cable needle. 1, and then purl the last 3. Now the next row is as before, and it's just basically knit all the knit stitches, purl all the purl stitches. This is the last row of the pattern in the rope design. And that's it. That is the 6 rows to the pattern, and there's the beautiful, that's the basic cable rope stitch with knitting the cable to the back. Hope you can see that clearly. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else that you would like to learn, any tutorials that you would like me to make, and I'm more than happy to make them for you. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.